Hello guys, today I'll show you how to do trading. So we continue our lesson, which is about lesson 12, EMA and MA. So what is MA and EMA? EMA is exponential moving average, and MA is moving average. So these are the indicator in trading view. These are indicator that it helps us to do trading. So in previous lesson we studied about down theory. So in down theory we don't know the graph will going down or up, but if we conclude this with this lesson, it is very essential, very important for you to know the graph is going down. Example here, you see. So when it cross here, you know the graph is going up, you can start buy. And when it cross again, you think that it is going up, but it's not, it's going down. So how to do it? So you can set EMA 200, MA 500 of 50, sorry. So I said already, so I said again. So EMA set 200. So click on here, you write it exponential. I'm sorry. Okay, and then here the next moving average. Okay, click on it. Okay, here we have EMA and MA, so set on setting here. It doesn't work, sorry. EMA, what? It doesn't work. It doesn't work. Ah, it's work. Okay, so MA we set click on input here, set it the length. The length is 50. So I will choose the style, the color. The color is blue. And visibility. Okay. And EMA set it to be 200. And the color I prefer it to be red. Yeah, and it's a little bit thick. Okay, here I prefer it to be okay, this one. Okay, so now you see the theory. If the EMA 200 cross, so this is called cross MA 500 and EMA below MA 500, so the graph is going up, you should buy. It's about here. So the EMA cross MA, so the EMA is below MA, then the graph is going up, so you can buy here. Buy, buy again. So here, stop. Let's see the theory again. If EMA cross MA, then EMA is up, or MA bill, or EMA up MA, so you must sell. So see, EMA is up, MA is below EMA, so the graph is going down. So you can sell here. Can sell. You still get income because you buy here, and you buy here it's 0.06. You sell is 0.08. That you can get income. That's cool, yeah. And then in here, you think it is going down, yeah? The graph is going up, but not. It's still going down, going down. See, going down here because the EMA is up. But here it's cross again, cross again. EMA is below MA. Yes, you can buy here. So it's very up. And then here again you can sell here. And next, where should you buy? See, the graph is going down because EMA is up and MA is below the MA. So you think you should buy here or you should buy here? It's not. It's still going down. See. Example, this graph is going up. I will buy here. Up, yeah. Lucky it's up little, but it's going down again. So I choose the time frame 1 hour. So yeah, it's going down again because the EMA is not below the MA. So where to buy? So it's always down, very down. Where to buy? Yeah. To buy it here. See, it cross. EMA is below MA, so you can buy here because it's going up, and you can sell it where? You can sell it here because it crossed and then EMA is up the MA. So that is the important of EMA and MA. So you know that before graph is going down or up, and you should study down theory and up theory also sideways. Okay, that's all. Hope you enjoy this. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.